Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove the blog page from your WordPress site. So if you're using WordPress in 2026 and want to disable the blog section, maybe you're transforming your site into a portfolio, a business landing page, or you just don't need a blog anymore. By the end of this video, you'll know how to either hide or completely remove the post's feed from your WordPress website. Let's dive right in and make your site truly match what you need. We're going to focus first on how to remove the blog page without using any plugins. This method lets you cleanly hide the blogging features without changing any underlying WordPress code, so it's safe, quick, and reversible. Your first step is to set a static homepage. This instructs WordPress to show visitors a specific page as your homepage instead of a rolling list of posts. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard and find the Settings menu. It's usually near the bottom of the sidebar. Click on Reading. Here you'll see an option called Your Homepage Displays. Select a static page. Now you'll need to pick which page should be shown as the homepage, for example, your About page or whatever best fits your site's purpose. The key point here is to make sure the Posts page dropdown just says Select, which means you're not assigning any page to display blog posts. That's effectively telling WordPress no blog posts, please. If you don't see the option, just double check that you're in the right spot. Sometimes themes can adjust how this looks, but the reading section is almost always where you need to be. Take your time and don't worry if you need a moment to look around. Next up, let's make sure the blog page doesn't appear anywhere in your website's menu. To do this, go to Appearance, then Menus. The Menus section is where you control what visitors see as navigation links. Scan through your menu list for anything named blog or posts. Click the little arrow next to it, which expands the details, and then select Remove. This prevents visitors from stumbling onto an empty or unwanted posts page. Removing menu links is kind of like taking down a sign you don't want people to follow. Very straightforward, but important, because it keeps your navigation clear and relevant. If your menu setup looks a bit different, don't worry, the principles are the same. Look for the pages you don't want and gently remove them. Finally, let's actually delete the blog page itself if it still exists, maybe from when you first set up your site. Here, go to Pages, then All Pages. You'll see a list of every page you've created. Find that blog page, hover your mouse over it, and look for the option called Trash. Click it, and just like that, your blog page is gone. Think of it as tidying up your workspace, removing what you don't need so your website feels focused and intentional. If you change your mind later, you can always restore it from the trash, so there's no need to stress about being stuck with this decision. And there you have it. With these steps, your WordPress site is free from its blog page, letting you define your site's look and purpose exactly how you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or ran into any issues. I reply to as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress how-tos, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.